Here's a 2015 Ford Focus. With plenty of style and more than enough attitude, this is a machine that appears to be moving even when standing still. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and auto shift manual transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports the Focus has undergone a clean sheet recasting that brings a new look, enhanced quality, more features to a slightly larger package that's far more compelling both visually and dynamically. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.